How to see who viewed your Facebook profile. Unfortunately, there is no official way to see the names of people who view your personal Facebook profile. Facebook explicitly protects user privacy by not tracking or sharing profile view history. Any third-party apps or browser extension claiming to offer this are scams and should be avoided at all costs. While you cannot see specific names, you can use built-in tools or analytics to understand your profile's traffic only. Now, to see the analytics, what you can do is simply open your Facebook and regularly post content to Facebook stories. You can see who has clicked to watch them. Now, open on your active story, tap the viewer count at the bottom left, and it will show the friends that are seeing your content regularly, and that means they have viewed your profile regularly. Also, you can often infer who is paying attention to your content by checking who frequently interacts with your post. Notifications. Keep an eye on your bell icon to see who is liking, commenting, or sharing your post. And also, frequent interaction, likes, and comments are typically the best indicator that someone is regularly visiting your profile. And that's it, guys. In this way, you can track who viewed your Facebook profiles. Thank you for watching the video.